Do you want to know how you can update your profile picture but don't know how to do so? Don't you worry, I'm going to teach you how to do it. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or update your profile picture on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Now click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand side and go to your profile. After you click on your profile, click on the photo option which you can see over here. So after you click on photo, you can use an emoji or you can select an existing photo. So go ahead and select the photo of your choice. After you select the photo, you can arrange which part you want to show, and you can also see that you can reverse it, you can paint it, and you can also manage the soften skin, enhance and exposure quality. After you're done, go ahead and click done and click on the tick button which you can see on the bottom right hand side of your screen. And there you go. This is how you update your profile picture on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.